Hey guys, what's up? Why does Discord keep crashing? Now, if you are opening up the Discord app and it keeps on crashing, you can either on your iPhone or Android. I'm simply going to show you how to fix that. The very first thing that we'll want to check is to make sure that there is no issue with the Discord servers themselves that are down and causing the app to crash. Let's go into the web browser and we are just going to type in is Discord down. Tap on the very first option. Now we'll go towards the down director of the Discord status at the very top here. So once you are here, you'll see everything is operational. All of these show operations and there aren't any of the issue. If you see any of the issue here that basically says something is down, then there is a reason why that apps keeps on crashing on the servers themselves on Discord having issues, and you just have to wait until the everything got fixed by themselves and then you will be able to use the app normally. If you don't see any of the issue here, anything says operational, then next step that you will do is to go back, head towards your phone settings, scroll down a little bit, tap on where it says app, tap on see all app, simply search for Discord. Here you have to simply tap on storage and cache. So you have to clear the cache and storage for the Discord app, or you can simply uninstall the app and you can again reinstall it. After that, all of the bugs and glitches will be deleted and it will allow you to use a new and a fresher version of the app. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.